All right, guys. A quick one. Let me just do this video for you guys. All right. So this is NZDUSD. NZDUSD. I took a trade actually last week, or rather this week. Today is the 13th of September 2025. All right. So as you can see, let's just go through our trading strategy, right? Okay. So just take this easy, and let's see if we can pick or catch another trade. Okay. So, all right, first of all, market structure, right? This is a high that price has failed to break. This is a high that price has failed to break. All right. It means we're in a bearish trend. Okay. It means we're in a bearish trend, right? Let me just draw this out for you guys. In a bearish trend. So this is our break of structure to the downside. All right. So same thing here. Same thing here. So same thing here. All right, so these are protected high. So these are our lower high, right? This is our lower high. This is our lower high. Sorry, let me just bring this here. This is our lower high. This is our lower high. All right, so we're expecting that price will not what take out this. So for this next week, right? This is 4 hours time frame. Let's go back to the 1 hour. Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame, all right, and see possible effects for what next week has in store for us. Now remember, our trend is we have a bearish trend, right? As you can see, price is reacting to this zone. So let's see what price is about to do here. All right. So for next week outlook, right? For next week outlook, let's see. Let's see next week outlook. Let's see what price wants to do. All right. So you can see that we have an inverse fair value gap here, an inverse fair value gap, and an order block here that price is actually going to react to as well. So let's see, let's draw this out real quick so you can see price reacted to that, and it tapped into our fair value gap. Sorry, it tapped into our order block here. Right, tapped into our order block here that actually broke this structure. Now this is valid because if this internal structure was broken, right, it was broken. This MSS, you can see it as, you can call it MSS if you want. Change of market structural shift in market structure. All right, so we have this as well, this zone, this other block that we're expecting price to also tap fully into. Okay, now what we are looking at, or what we are looking for, is to see that when we come to the 5 minutes time frame, is to see that, as you can see, price actually reacted from here, all right, and now gave us this. Follow me. Now this break of structure is actually a structural market shift. Okay, this is now our MSS. Now, this is our MSS because it is going to be in line with our overall market structure. Okay. So now, as you can observe and see, this is how I actually take my trades. Okay. This is how I actually take my trades. As you can observe and see, you'll see that we have this bearish confirmation engulfing candle here, right? That we're expecting price to tap into. Okay. We're expecting price to tap into this into this zone, right? Into this zone. We're expecting price to tap into this. Now recall, we also have a fair value gap right here. Okay, we also have a fair value gap right here that we're expecting price to react off on. As you can see, it has reacted exactly off this. Okay, so what to be looking for is sells to the downside, because already from the overall trend, this is already a break of structure to the downside. So we are also looking at price not taking out this overall, not taking out this overall higher high, this point, not taking that out. We're looking at price, if price is to react off against this. As you can see, there are several reactions on this, all right? So I will not take this particular trade. Instead, I will shift my fair value gap up above again here. See here, you can see fair value gap here. Now the reason is because this is going to be a high probability zone where price will likely come and retest to take all orders filled here. All right, now that's because already you can see that what led to this break of structure is this other block zone here. All right, is this other block zone here. I'll just mark that out as well, this other block zone. All right, so this is how I actually take my trade, right? This is how I actually spot validated or a valid fair value gap that will likely hold and that will likely retain price to react from. Okay, so basically, right, this is what we have. So we are looking at this coming week, price has reacted off this resistance zone, right? This resistance zone, price has reacted here. So we are looking that price will break through, and when price breaks through, we are looking that this particular zone will actually hold price and then send it off down here. Okay, so looking at price will actually come down here. All right, so for price to come down here, we are looking to take we'll wait for confirmation, right? I may do a video, today is the 13th of September 2025, right? So I may do a video when I see that price is reacting off this zone. Okay, so we'll take our short position, right? Just here, just here, just here, and of course cover this zone, because if price should take this out, it means we are having a valid market structure shift. Okay, and then target the next liquidity, which is here. Okay, which is there. So this is it, and let's see what price holds for us next week. I'll see you guys if this actually plays out well, and of course we should know. Let's see if our strategy will actually hold up. Okay, so see you guys. See you guys next week. This is for NZDUSD. I'll check other pairs if possible, and then I'll update you guys as time goes on. All right. Cheers, guys.